We are Pia and Sean with our three little dogs. Welcome to our van life with our storyteller Overland to discover amazing places. On this episode, we share with you how we got our battery system fixed and show you around Kings Canyon National Park. Join us and thank you for watching.
I go to the home screen, it's now saying SOC is dead, whereas previously it was showing 80%.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are here at Kings Canyon National Park camping for the long weekend. And right now we're just sitting at our camp spot and relaxing. So this is our camp setup right now. We have the solar connected to the van. We're at 60% battery right now. We're getting about positive 20 watts.
Yeah. Basically not losing power right now. So with the solar and a dual setup from Overland Solar, you're not really going to fully charge, even in full sun, but it will kind of sustain you and keep you from losing a ton. So in some ways, if you don't have your inverter on for a little while, you can gain maybe like 10%, 20%.
Thank you so much to Warner Vans for getting our Volta fixed.
Yeah, it was a big ordeal, kind of similar to last summer. It was another electrical problem at a harness point, and so it was shorting out the connection between the alternator, the Volta alternator, and our Volta power system, so it couldn't charge. And it took them more than a day to trace the problem and fix. So it was definitely a unique issue that we will cross our fingers won't happen again. One interesting aspect that happened is we turned on the inverter for the first time yesterday as we were preparing to leave up here to come camping, and it reported that the inverter was in bypass mode, which means that the inverter would not turn on. And we were able to get a hold of Warner Vans because my first assumption was that they may have forgot to actually put it back into production mode, and they would have to put in a code to get it out of maintenance. But they actually confirmed that they wouldn't have done that when we talked to a tech over the phone. So the fix, and this tends to be, I think, the same fix for a lot of Volta issues, is to plug it into shore power, let the battery system charge for a bit. That did flip the screen from what's called bypass mode to standby mode, and then I unplugged the shore power, rebooted the Volta system, and then it started working again. So a couple people, a couple other Storyteller owners reported they had the same issue after their Volta was fixed and upgraded. So evidently it's a communication issue with the battery pack and the controller, and sometimes it just doesn't detect that the inverter is there. Scouting out the Sunset Campground trail, see if there's a spot where I can get some good shots of the valley. So there's a big string of people hiking over to Sunset Point. We're gonna have to make that tomorrow, part of our goal right at sunset time. which is coming right up. Close. Got steaks almost done.
Good morning from our van life. It is Sunday and we are here at Kings Canyon National Park Sunset Campground, which just newly opened.
What'd you see there?
And we're gonna go drive around the area, show the sights around to my family who's visiting here for the first time. Sean is putting away our Starlink. Chihuahuas have been up, did their potty business earlier today. Gonna take a quick shower before we take off. I think we're about 20% of battery remaining, so that's why we do have to drive around to recharge our battery.
Good morning from our third day in Sunset Campground. So we're getting up a little faster. Pia's actually jumping in the shower real quick. I'm getting coffee and we're gonna go with our family to go hiking for a little bit. Okay, we'll be home. We'll be back soon. Bye-bye, you're in charge. Is the scar behind the General Grant tree, which is right there. This is a really big sequoia. Lake. Cool little spot.
The Beat Saber one was kind of repetitive, but
Yeah.
this one have different, better combinations.
Sean was playing the fishing game.
How do you play that?
Which one?
Fishing game.
You basically just find like little areas in the map and cast, yeah.